Good morning, everyone. This is my midterm project, Public High School. So, introduction to the generic organization and its three system. So, my organization is Public High School, which serves as an educational institution dedicated to providing quality secondary education to students. The school's main objectives include delivering academic instruction, maintaining student records, evaluating academic performance, and supporting the overall learning process through effective resource management to achieve these goals efficiently. So, the school relies on several integrated information systems that streamline operations, enhance data accuracy, and improve communication among stakeholders. The three major systems used in this public high school are the Student Information System, SIS, the Grade and Transcript Management System, GTMS, and the Library Catalog System, LCS. BPMN of the systems with short description. So this is Student Information System. The BPMN diagram illustrates how the Student Information System manage the enrollment and record-keeping process in the public high school. So it begins when the student submit an enrollment form to the registrar. So students submit enrollment form, submitted. So the registrar verifies the submitted requirements to ensure completeness. So registrar receive enrollment form, verify requirements, complete. So if the requirements are incomplete, the process stops until the student provides the missing information. So, no. If complete, the registrar encodes the student data and submit it to the SIS. So, if yes, encode student data submitted, then system receive data. So, once the data is received, the SIS assigns a unique student ID. So, student ID assigns student ID, designates a class section. So, assign section. So, and saves the student information into the system database. So, save student data and then student record. So, teachers can then access these records to verify student details, update attendance, and modify student profiles as needed. So, teacher start verify student record. So, update attendance, update profile, generate report sent. After updating the records, teachers generate reports summarizing student performance and attendance. The reports generated by SIS are then shared with parents. So, and the Department of Education DepEd for review and monitoring, parents can view their child progress while DepEd use the reports for compliance and performing tracking. So, parents receive the report, view report, end. DepEd receive report, view report, end. So, overall, this BPMN explains how the SIS streamlines the flow of student data from enrollment and record management to reporting, ensuring accuracy, efficiency, and effective communication among students, teachers, parents, and educational authorities. The BPMN diagram illustrates how the Grade and Transcript Management System, GTMS, manage the grading and reporting process in a school setting. The process begins when the teacher records students' grades into the system. Once the grades are recorded, the system automatically computes the average for each student and forward the results to the registrar for review. The registrar verifies the computed grades for accuracy. If an error is found, the process loops back for correction. When all grades are accurate, the registrar approves them for finalization. After approval, the system generates official report from Form 137 to Form 138 containing its student academic records. The principal then reviews these forms to ensure the correctness of the report data. If discrepancies are detected, the forms are sent back for regeneration. When verified, the final documents are submitted to the Department of Education DepEd for official recording. Once submitted, parents can access and view their child grades through the system. In overall, this BPMN diagram demonstrates how the GTMS streamlines the process of grade recording, verification, approval, and reporting. It ensures data accuracy, transparency, and efficient coordination between teachers, registrars, principals, parents, and DepEd. Library Catalog System. The diagram illustrates how the Library Catalog System, LCS, manage the process of book borrowing, returning, and reporting in a school library. The process begins when a student searches for a book in the system. Once a book selected, the librarian verifies the student's eligibility. Through the Student Information System, if the student wishes to borrow the book, it meets the requirements, the librarian proceeds with the borrowing transaction, otherwise the process ends. When the student returns the book, the transaction is recorded in the system. Unified Relational Database Schema for the system with short description. So this is Microfoot. The diagram illustrates the Unified Relational Database Schema for the centralized information system used in the school. It integrates core entities, student, teacher, section, subject, grade, attendance, parent, registrar, and form record to ensure efficient data management and interdepartmental coordination. So each student is linked to a section has corresponding grades for each subject and is associated with a parent record for communication purposes. The teacher is assigned to section and teaches subject under it. Attendance. Records track each student daily status while grade store performs months per quarter and subject. Form record maintains official document details such as report cards and approval status uses verified by the registrar.